Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, and today they worked on the lights. So it's nighttime of this recording, and I'm on my living room balcony to give you a view of our tree lights have been unearthed. We have quite a few, even our little island tree that we love has all these lights on. This one, they haven't paved this area yet, so this one's missing. You probably can't even see that. But all the other trees and what we call our front yard, the beach yard, have a light on them. And so when we have it on at night, it's really nice to be able to see the glow of the palm trees on here. It didn't quite come out on video quite as good as it is in real life, but there you go. Now, the other ones, we have some palm trees over on the street side as well. And those are also now lit up, except for one that's still buried, which they'll be fixing tomorrow. They got some progress on some wiring, nothing exciting to show on the steam room and the pool filter room. And hopefully they told me they'd be done in 1 or 2 more days with all that. And we got some more sidewalks to go, and we'll be very close to opening the pool. Hey, make sure you hit the like button if you liked this video. Subscribe if you're new here. I do release a video. I've been doing that on this Mexican beach home renovation, and we're almost done. And hit that bell notification so when I do come out with a video, you'll be notified immediately. And you can go get a newsletter on Expat Rebel News. expatrebel.com/newsletter comes out every Saturday. We got more expat news in there and a summary of what's going on with the channel and on the website when you get on that newsletter. So go ahead and do that as well. Thanks for being with me today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.